Uh-oh. Oh, that's fine. Okay, welcome to the stream. We're recovering files, apparently. Okay, I think we're good. Looks like we're good. Alright, we're going to show off Leonardo as well, because we've been using Leonardo and it's really, really cool. Community feed, personal feed. There we go. These are just some, or these are all of them, actually, all of the things that I have generated with Leonardo. And it's just really cool stuff. Follower feed, liked feed, okay, home. So let's go to here. We're going to use this, generate with this model. So it uses 2 tokens, so I always switch to 768 by 768. So it doesn't use as many tokens. And then number of images, okay. I also do prompt generation. 960 prompts. Okay, so you get more prompts every day too. Okay, I don't have anything to generate yet. However, why don't we try to do a space base detailed futuristic architecture like Stargate Atlantis City. Isometric. Voxel. Let's see what it can do as far as generating a prompt from that. But that's a pretty good prompt, I think. I don't know. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Let's see what we get. A sprawling. Let's try this one. See how if it'll generate it. Oh, that's cool. Let's go back. Let's do 3. Nice. How come they're all kind of blue? Multicolored? Let's try that. Not that these aren't amazing, but they're all blue, kind of. Even that one has like mostly blue. That one's really cool though, but multicolored and then I get blue. Blue and a little bit of yellow. Okay, let's try this. Let's try red and purple. Let's go for that. See if it'll even notice those last few words, huh? Okay, well, we're definitely getting red and purple. Oh, okay, nice. So specifying a color helps. Okay, cool. So yellow, green, and blue, and then like let's say for the if there was an enemy, you do red, brown, and orange. Nice. Okay, okay, that's cool. Let's try the random colored. We get blue again, okay. Alright, let's see what we can do. So we got that. So yeah, there's Leonardo. Leonardo seems pretty cool. Alright, so what did we do last, and what are we doing right now? Excuse me, let's take a look at what we've gotten here. Adding the voxel item. D&D Alpha 19. Oh, I was gonna do that, but we're not gonna do it. Yeah. Yeah, the voxel thing we're not gonna do. I was gonna... We could do it and then optimize it and then everything, but that's kind of distracting from the current task. Current task is to work on the inventory GUI, which we have going right now. We have everything there. What we need to do is when we shoot items, like I was just shooting, excuse me, we want to display it. Now let's look at the GUI real quick before we display it here. There's the inventory. Okay, so as we shoot an item, let's say we shoot a flower there, or we shoot the crystal there. Okay, so then it would show up in here that we have a flower and the number, like it would be like, yeah. And don't I have like No Man's Sky? Inventory GUI? Let me see. Oh. Well, there's me. Let's do a Google search for No Man's Sky GUI. There we go. So the way they do it, they have really good, yeah, so there's like a, oh yeah, there's a border around it too. And if it's empty, it's see-through. Oh, that's a good little idea. And if there's something in the inventory, then it's fully opaque. Okay, let's do that. That's a great idea. Stealing that. Okay, so GUI inventory. Okay, so there's a border. There's a title on the top. And then there's a picture. And then there's a quantity. Right? That's basically what we've got. Oh, this isn't the inventory. Ah, you're funny. Show me inventory. This isn't an inventory. This is. So yeah, see, it's got the title, a picture. Oh, that's cool to see. Yeah. And then if it stacks. Oh, and it doesn't even have the. Do they not do that anymore? They don't have a quantity listed. It's just a little bar at the bottom to show how full your inventory is of those things. Well, I would want to see the exact numbers, so. But we're going to have, basically the first thing we're going to have is infinite inventory, so. Does it really not show? Oh. Well, that's okay, but alright. I'm curious what it's going to generate there. Voxel inventory GUI with border, title, picture, and quantity. Oh, that looks cool. What the heck? That looks interesting. Look at that. Okay, that's cool. I love the AI stuff. That's crazy. That's funny. Okay. So that's fine. And quantity just listed. Quantity. So if we were to do that in the GUI, let's look at it again here. That we're doing. So if we were to do that here, we'd have the title, picture, and the quantity listed there. Then we could have a border around it. That's fine. So the thing with the inventory, if it's empty, okay, so let's go into space inventory 2. So yeah, 0.9 and 0.7. So the large is 0.7 and then the smaller ones. Okay, let's just go with 0.8. So they're barely a little bit more opaque. See, there's still more see-through. Okay, so that'll be the empty ones. Okay, then we'll have another. We won't be able to do that by F size. Of course, we're sending the F size through. We will be able to, but if okay, hold on, space inventory. We might have to send another variable through for that, but that's fine. So position color size is all we've got. We don't even have a type in here. But what are we really going to do with this? Actually, yeah. So when we draw these, oh, you know what we could do with this one? We could do, what we need to do is space flower. Let's go to 512 by 512. Space flower. Let's go to prompt generation. Let's ideate and see what it comes up with. Let's just go with the first one. So this could be... Oh, that's cool. This could be the inventory picture for the flower. That's cool. Oh, that's beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, cool. I kind of like the second one there for so far. A majestic flower with petals of twinkling stars and a core of deep space. What? Oh, that one's cool too. Okay, so now let's go with, those are good. Let's go with a space crystal. Let's take that and go into prompt generation. Space flowers. So now let's ideate that. Space crystal. Did we lose our music again? The Steam thing is broken. Alright, let's go to Skyrim. But it's all the way broken. We have to stop it. Library. Oops. Alright. What did we get? Space crystals. Okay. Nice. That's okay. Not exactly what I was thinking. That's closer. That's really cool. That'd be kind of cool. Oh wow. That one's cool except for the person. So let's try prompt generation. Space crystal shard. Let's ideate that. Oh, I'm liking that. That one's cool too. Interesting. Yeah. It's going to be a very small image though, so... Ooh, that's the one. Okay, so that one right there. That's going to be our crystal, save image as. Thumbnail favorites? Oh, that's okay. Yeah, we can put it there. Actually, let's put it in pictures. Let's go Leonardo Crystal Shard 01. Okay, and let's go down. Aren't these gorgeous? This one. Download. Save image. This one's going to be Leonardo space flower 01. There we go. So that's cool. So let's look at them really quick here too. Bright light, bright light. Open. Pictures. Okay, this one. So do we have like the background there? What is that? 16, 23, 31. Is that the same like over here? 14, 21, 20. It's not. Tricky. That's tricky. Oh, and it's a JPEG anyways. Okay, so we can use those. That would be our picture. See? So then we just need the title, top, quantity, and the border. Okay. I think we can easily do that. So now we have the pictures. I was going to draw, I was going to draw the, what I was going to do was procedurally generate one of them from one of the flowers, save that in a save file, and then every time that player loads, it will show that particular one. So each player will have a different procedurally generated flower. But these are really beautiful. So what would we scale them down to display them there? And really, if we're going to do it like inventory, like for the flower there, and then what's the other one, the crystal? Let's look at that too. Let's go to pictures. So there's that one and that one. On both of them, there's plenty of room at the bottom to have the quantity listed right in the middle, actually. Or we could have the quantity over here on the left. See the quantity be over here on the left? That's fine. And the title across the top will just say, in this case, we'll say flower essence. This one will say crystal essence or something. Or we could just say flower and crystal. So let's see. Total number of items. Inventory 1. Okay. So on collision item. Okay. And then in, wasn't it in main? Where was this? I was doing this, yeah. Collision callback, a beautiful flower. Okay. So in this case, oh, I hardwired in the flower. Okay, that's not exactly what I want to do. Set collision callback. Bum, 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 bum. So every time it always does just the flower, a beautiful flower. Okay, so So you pass in the item there. Collision detected, updating inventory. Okay. So when we're doing this right here, and we hit a crystal, we want the crystal in there. We hit a flower, we want a flower in there. See, flower, flower. Okay, so that's all it's doing. And we know there's a collision and it's going through that here. Show space, render, show planet. Flowers, crystals, okay. Set collision callback right there, okay. Collision callback equals callback, and that gets sent. Oh, so oh. Do we want to do it this way? I don't think I broke anything by taking that out because I don't think we were using that just yet. So set collision callback. Alright, let me go back even further here because what we do is we call that in here. Set collision callback is right here. Da 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 da. Now, the reason I'm pausing here is because I want to tell the difference between when a flower collides and when a crystal collides. Oh, wait a minute. On collision, new item. Oh, so the on collision happens here. Ha, ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 so that's all that happens. And then when does the on collision? No, sort items. When does the collision actually occur, isn't it? Oh. Set collision callback. It's got to be in the update data. That's where I'm lost. I need to go into there and look just to see. Refresh my memory. Check for collision, recycle, collision callback. Oh, there it is. Call collision callback to update inventory class. Okay, so collision detected here, right. So reset projectile. Here it is. Here it is. Grid size type. So we need to go based on this type right here. Collision callback. Okay, so this is set collision callback. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to grab a piece of fruit. Okay, here we go. Alright, sorry I'm eating too. Let's see if it remembers what we talked about. Certainly you can modify the collision callback function, accept additional parameter indicating the type of item being collided with. Here's an example. But, isn't that... Where's that at, though? Let's not even tell it anymore. Where file is it located? Computer? Okay. What's going on? It's not a built-in function. It was mentioned in a It could be in the same file as your game's main logic or separate file. Okay, hold on. So isn't this... Oh, I see. So I could actually put this inside the class. I don't know why I'm doing that here in main. Okay. So is it in here that we call it? No, it's not in here. This one collision callback. Oh, this is the planets. Okay, so set collision callback. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're gonna change all this right now then. Pardon me for eating, but I'm eating. Alright, 211. Remove. Add. Okay, so 211. And we'll go in here. Set collision callback is a function there. But what did it just say? Set collision callback is a function. Oh, so I see. So instead of actually calling that and then putting it in main, like I did right here, we would take this out. So just comment that out. Oops, go back, comment that out. Okay, and then what we want to do in this one, we have set collision callback right here. And then what does it want me to do? Like that? Int collision type. Okay. So that doesn't do this though. I'm so confused now. I'm completely confused. Collision callback is a type that we created, isn't it? And ahead of the planets, background stars, blocks, ship. Oh. Oh, it's right here. What the heck? What is that? And why is it core CRTWIO.h? What the heck? What was that? Anybody? Anybody even see that? Anybody there? Oh, hey. Are you using IMGUI to render text? Oh, no, I'm not. Actually, that's not true. I was previously, but in my stream title I put nanoVG because I'm going to be using that going forward for the inventory part. I was using IMGUI, and then I found it to be not mouse context friendly. Anyways, hey Shroof2, welcome. Yeah, it's a long story with IMGUI. Basically, the only reason why I started to use IMGUI was because I didn't want to create a GUI from scratch if I didn't have to. And at first I couldn't actually use IMGUI, I couldn't figure it out, and then I figured it out. And then I just still don't like it totally 100%. And I didn't think that rendering text was as easy as nanoVG makes it. And so now I'm starting all over again from scratch, and I'm ready to render my own GUIs from scratch. But I did use IMGUI for a time, and yeah, so. Because I currently am using it. I don't know if you saw the program here. Let's see if it's completely broken. I don't think I changed anything. I'm just looking through and trying to make this work. Did that work? Okay. So previously I had the IMGUI over here. And you see how I've got it, as soon as the IMGUI comes up, the background stops rendering. That is the problem that I had. Not that the background was rendering while I was trying to move the mouse and stuff over the IMGUI, but the fact that there was a disconnect, like if I go back, oops, oh that's the other thing. Like if I go back, see there's a disconnect there between where the mouse was looking at, you move it to do the IMGUI stuff, and then you go back to the regular context. It jumps, I kind of made peace with that. I tried to save the state here, and then use the IMGUI, and then come out of it, and then have the same state, but that didn't work either. So I kind of made peace with it, and we're moving forward. But then now that I found nanoVG, yeah, that's why I wanted to do that. I know that doesn't make a lot of sense, but yeah. Or maybe it does to you, because you might be a coder too. And hey, Yeepee Kaye. Hey, thanks for following. Shroof2, thanks for following. What are you guys out doing? I'm literally just getting ready for work tomorrow and trying to do this at the same time. Inside the class definition. Okay, so where was I at with this? So my question is, Because I have this definition up here. So I don't think that, darn it, what's happened here is the conversation has lagged. And I've had so much other conversation now with ChatGPT that it's lost track of everything it told me to do as far as putting that there, this there, and everything. Alright. So, right here. I don't know how to ask it what I want to do. Inside the class definition of space PLMN1, and space PLMN1 is here. But I've got the set collision callback here. Collision callback equals that. See, that's not even in here. Inside the class definition, yeah, see this? Alright, let's just stream of consciousness tell it what I'm thinking here. If I put this set collision callback function inside the class of space PLMN1, it will not on collision new item, on collision new item. Set collision callback. I'm so confused right now. It's also been too long since I've actually worked on this because I've had to work and had to... I literally changed jobs since I've been working on this. So my brain has not been focused on this. Sucks that I really have to... Alright, let's keep brainstorming, or outputting to this question. If I put that function inside the class of space without, it will not, because what's in there now is this. If I could type and have good English. Not possible at 4:30. Because I'm literally about to end stream, take out my garbage, go to floss and brush my teeth, go in the shower and get ready for bed. I really have no time to be... Oh wait. If you put the set collision function inside the class, you can modify it to accept the new parameter while still utilizing collision callback type. That's the... okay. That makes sense. I was wondering if that was not the case. Inside the class definition of space PLM1, inside the main function or where space PLM1 is used, set collision... oh, int collision type. Ah, there we go. By modifying set collision callback to accept the collision callback and the collision type, you can store the callback and the collision type inside space PLM1 and use them when the collision occurs. Okay, that's what I thought. That's okay. There wasn't so much of a disconnect. That's okay. Genius. How can I be a ChatGPT consultant when I'm gonna have to walk people through these kinds of scenarios? That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't think people are ready for that. When their business decisions are on the line. Don't think people are ready for that. Oh, so, okay. So where's this going? What did I do? Inside the class definition. Okay, so set collision callback. Right, gotcha. Okay. Okay, so set collision callback. Alright. So let's take this one out. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, I still, excuse me, pardon me. Okay, so set collision callback, this needs to be like that now. And then this right here also will just have an int. There you go. There you go. Collision type, computer. Computer. Do we still need this? I don't think we need this. Okay. That's why. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Oh wait, did I save it in 130? Son of a bean dip. Here, let's go to 131 right now before I completely destroy it any further. Okay, so in here we're gonna go with main space gems 211, and here we're gonna go with class planets 131.h. That's all I'm gonna put for now because yeah. Inside the main function where the space PLM1 is used, callback. What is that? Okay, I don't know why it displays it like that. Okay, so right here. Set collision callback. Okay, so it still does that. So what I did in the class was the definition. This is the like the instantiation. Okay. So why are we getting a squiggly? What's going on? Show me, tell me, show me, huh? So what's that? Oh, I see. So it's sending that function. Provide the collision type as an argument when calling set collision callback. That's fine. So didn't I just do this in here? No, just collision type equals collision type. Okay. So in 211, we're set on 211, right? Okay, what happens if we go to do this? There were build errors. Would you like to continue and run the last successful build? No, I want to know what happened. Set collision callback. Cannot convert argument 1 from main lambda to const. Collision callback. And why would it be a const? Computer. Alright, hold on. Can we copy this? Oh man, it didn't copy everything. Did I hit enter? Computer, stop everything. What? It still knows even though I didn't give it the full error? I guess that makes sense with wave function collapse. The error you're encountering suggests a mismatch between the lambda expression used as an argument and the type expected const callback for the second. To resolve this, you can update the lambda expression to match the required function signature. Here's an example. Inside the main function... Oh, just... I have to put that in? Oh. Oh. So that's just the first line of it, though, is all we need. Right in here, so... Here, down to there, and copy. Still get the squiggly. We'll try it. We'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Nope. Okay. So now we're getting what? Cannot convert argument 1 from main lambda to const collision call. Same thing. Same exact error. Same exact error. Anybody know? Nobody knows? Okay. Just curious because I have no idea. I have no clue about this. That looks right though, because it's casting it as a... It's... Cannot convert argument 1 from main lambda 1 to const collision callback. So isn't that because in here... Oh, const collision callback. But wait, why don't we just take const out right here? And then back here, we don't have to do this. Or what was it before? It was just this, because it's already got the... Is that right? No, we're still getting the... Okay. Well, let's try that. Save it, do whatever. No. Collision callback. Overloaded member function not found in planets 1. Overloaded member function. There? Oh, wait, I didn't change the... Oh, because... Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold the phone here, computer. So when I did that, I didn't take the const out here. And then also in here, we want to put this back. Does it remember per file? Okay. Does that work? No? Is he just not saved? Okay, what? Okay, let's copy this whole thing. Copy that. To resolve this, what? Handle collision. To resolve this, you can define a named function or static member function with the appropriate signature and use it as a callback instead of the lambda expression. Here's an example. Define a named function or static member function. Handle collision, collision callback, int collision type 0, collision type 1, okay. Inside the main function or set collision callback, handle collision 0. By defining a named function or static member function, you ensure that its type matches the expected collision callback address of type, allowing you to pass it as an argument without any conversion errors. Okay. I think I want to sit down with a good book by Herbert Schild. Because I want to actually understand what's going on here rather than just take ChatGPT's word for it, because it doesn't seem to be working right now. Alright, well, this conversation will remain, and yeah. Let's just end the stream. Sorry, guys. Oh, we got 6. I guess we can raid somebody. Let's see who's available. Oh, Pirate Software. We can raid him. Start raid. He's easy to go to. He's easy to go to. We ready? 3, 2, 1. Ready. Raid now. Okay, so go here. Go here. Stop.